everyone, this is my new YouTube channel, Toys vs. Libby. So in today's video, I've got my friend Jasmine.
Hi!
And we're going to be opening another LOL surprise.
Standard for Little Outrageous Littles, as you can see on the front there.
So we've got these ones.
And we'd really like Queen Bee, that one.
So we really want to get her. It's that one there with the gold hair.
So we've already got Line Dancer and we've already got Roller Skater. So let's begin.
You want to tear it?
I wonder which one we get.
Oh, where's the message?
Oh, it's in there. There's two.
Oh, this one. This one's from the other one, so this one was just like laying around here in front of there. So
Okay, that's so typical.
I think where's the
So this
thing?
this one has a lemon in the cat, which means
Sour
cat. Sour cat.
So I'm gonna be opening the second layer.
And I wonder what that is, because I have never opened one of these.
Ooh, I can see something. So it says feed or bathe her to reveal a surprise.
Yeah, so it can either spit, colour change, tinkles, or cries. And we really want a colour changer, don't we?
Yeah, because I've never got a colour changer before, because these two, they don't colour change.
Do you want me to get this bit off?
Yeah. So, these are just little stickers.
So
Are you gonna open
you have
the
to
second
pull
one?
the zip
Yep.
down like that, or you can, and then, ooh, I got a bag.
Oh, my bag.
So this is the bottle, but some are the same, but you just get different ones.
Yeah.
That's what happens.
Do you want me to try?
Yeah. Ooh, the ball's really, really hot pink.
Ooh, so it looks like we've got another one of
Pass me.
these ones, and it's yellow.
Yeah, this time it's yellow. And it kind of looks like a milk bottle because it has that thing. And it's very squishy. This one, where's the other? This one doesn't, this one's not that squishy, but this one's very squishy.
Oh, yeah.
So let's
see what's in the other zip.
I'll just move this out of the way.
So we've got a blind bag.
I wonder what that is.
I think these are the shoes.
Oh yeah, they might be.
Yep, these are the shoes.
I wonder what shoes you got.
These look like the same colour as the bottle.
And this thing will just not come off. Oh, now it will.
Oops. So we've got these little cute lime slippers.
Can I see them?
Yeah.
I don't know who it is.
I don't think we know who this is.
Ooh, but I definitely know which way this is. It's that thing. And by the way, that this little thing here can also be a pizza tray, because there's a pizza right there.
So do you want to open the second layer if you can?
Yep.
I think this is the last layer.
Yeah, this is the last layer, and then you open the ball and get to it, don't you?
There we go.
Right.
So
So I have to open this. Oh, I know what this is. It's the outfit.
oh yeah.
Oh, I think I know which one we're getting.
I think I do too.
Can you open it, please?
Yeah.
I'll just show.
We've got that one, I think. That one with this one down here. I think we've got that
let's
one.
open it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Do you want me to try?
yeah. No, I know which one we've got. It's that one. It
No,
might be.
because the shoes are not the same. Look, I know which one it is. It's the one with the blonde hair down here. With a little quiff.
Oh, they always have plastic in there, don't
Yeah. So let's open this.
they?
So,
I'll open the doll.
and I'll... Oh, that's just rubbish.
Oh, we've got the one that you said.
Yep, we have.
Because you know we can see through that. Can I open the accessory as well?
Yeah.
I wonder what this accessory... Oh, I
You
can
open
see
it.
what the accessory is. It's that dummy.
We've got another dummy.
all of them seem to have like
There's
gummies.
2 black
And
eggs.
you're just going to nip up, right, and get some water
Yeah.
so we can show you what happens. Now, here it is. It's coming out, if it does, because these do just not want to come
I
out.
think you're gonna have to open.
Ah, I've made a hole.
You made a hole, but that leads to the other black egg.
She's good. She's so cute.
So let's show the camera. As you can see, she's got blonde hair and she's got little stars here. Pink stars. Let's see closer.
And where's she got pink stars?
There, can you see them?
Oh yeah.
So
She
we're
might
gonna
be the colour changer.
So we're gonna put all of the rubbish away.
And then we're going to first dress her up, and then we're going to test to see what she does.
3.
So and we've dressed her.
And so she's got a yellow dummy, yellow shoes, and then a yellow bottle that we're going to fill up. First we're going to test if she does anything in the mouth, and then we're going to test if she colour changes
So
with
we've-
some cold water.
So
Right
we've
here.
got some ice cubes.
So let's fill the bottle up.
Let it go slowly. Let your fingers out. And then that'll go up. Do you want to put it in the mouth and then I'll see if it colour changes?
Or we have to take her out.
Yep, so it doesn't spill everywhere.
Oh my, it's
I'll put
spilling
the hand
everywhere.
underneath. Right, is it all in?
I
Now
think
you
so.
now you squeeze it inside there.
She's a spitter.
Yay! But she's a light splitter, so she don't.
Oh no,
like,
she's a crier.
Is she?
Yeah.
Ah! So,
Let's test if she colour changes. That's why I hope she does. She does! Stars! And stars! And that.
right, let's take it out of the water and show the camera.
And then there was that, but it just starts dribbling away. Hey. And then that bit stars here.
There's this one it doesn't.
And we're
say-
just gonna review what our others do, aren't we?
So it don't really stay the colour for long, but it
No.
stays long enough.
So we're just going to review what the others do. Now,
So
where's
this
my
one's
book?
called. Let's try and find her. So she's called Surfer Babe. So I think she goes to the sea a lot.
I want to see if this one colour changes. Oh,
No,
it
that one
doesn't.
don't. So let's see if Line Dancer does. Oops, the
Ooh.
dummy came off.
Does Lime Dancer? No.
No, but I'm gonna see if she spits.
I'm gonna see if this one does anything.
So, this is spits.
Oh
This
wait,
one's a
we
big
need to fill
spitter.
them up with their bottles now. Where's my bottle? Our bottles. We need our bottles so we can feed them.
So,
So we're just going to see what happens to them one more time because we didn't review what these do, did we?
no.
So this one's
Let's
filled up, so
close
let's take a dummy out and then...
I'll do
So what you
this
have to do,
one.
there's a hole in the mouth and you have to stick this little thing in the mouth and then feed
There
her
we go.
up.
Oh, the table's a bit wet. Oh,
It's because
picked
of
a
all the
W.
things we've had excited about. She colour changes. Where I need to fill her up one more time.
So I filled these two up,
And
she's
I'm just filling her up even more.
yeah.
So
that-
she'll, do even more stuff.
So we're all gonna spit at the same time. Well, we don't know if they spit.
No,
They
we
might
don't.
cry, but
We
Wait.
don't. 3, 2, 1.
Go!
They all spit. They all spit. But this one is a special one, isn't it?
Yeah.
She colour changes.
So let's see.
So what you have to do is you only have to dip the head in if you want to make them colour change, because we did it the wrong way first. When we were testing that, instead we put the body in, didn't we?
Yeah. So this
But
is
now that we know you have to put the head in,
Yeah.
its hair only like colour changes.
So that's it for this video. So we're gonna clean this up. So hope you guys liked it. Please like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.